Yeah, see, this is the first time that I'm actually hearing about this. So it's gonna be on the ballot because me and my dad we were just talking about this. We talked about it off and on, and we was wondering if anybody knew any more information. So it's gonna be on the November ballot. Okay, I'll let him know because we was wondering about that too because I heard they were supposed to end it last year. Yeah, let me show you. Yeah, because you can see the taller ones right there, and there's gonna be. Let me walk up here, and there's gonna be another one right next to that one, and then another one right up there, and then right up there. And I'm gonna try and get a screenshot of the sunflowers and the moon. I want to see if the moon is in the shot here. Nope. Hey, Fear the Dawn, how are you? Yeah, there's just a tiny, tiny, tiny little breeze out there, but I don't know if you can see like the moon or not. But those are the sunflowers there. And here are the pepperoncinis. Yeah, me too. But those are some of the pepperoncinis that I have that are growing, and then there's one over there that you can possibly see. I don't know if you can see that or not. Hi, the godmother. How are you? Yeah, I know, but you. Yeah, I know. And like I said, I did not mean to go down this route. But you can also thank the person that's in living in a White House now, and the I'm choosing my words carefully. The laughing hyena that's running, and I'll leave it at that. Okay, because obviously I'm not with her. So, but anyway, but yeah, I already shot a video, and I might just shoot another video again. But we also have um, yeah, President Trump, he went to Arlington today. But these are some other little flowers that you can see. Yeah, with the sun being out, it is so muggy. We don't know what these flowers are. We got these last year, but now they're doing a lot more better. And over here are some plants that we got over here. Yeah, the sun is just. Yeah, I saw your community tab yesterday. I am so sorry. And here's the man himself just pulling in. Yeah, there is just a slight little breeze. I don't want the phone to overheat, so I'm gonna head back